Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to put emojis on photos. So if you want to add some emojis to your photos, for that I have an easy solution for you guys. So go to photos and pick a photo. So I'm going to pick this one and tap edit. On the top right corner you can see the emoji with a pencil, so tap on that, and on the bottom right corner you will see a plus button. Tap on this. From here tap text, and here add a emoji that you want to add to the picture. So I'm just going to okay, so this is how you can put emoji on your photos. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye, see you in the next video.